But tell us before we go into your concept and how you build it, what is a mastermind group? And then
Sure,
include how it benefits.
sure. I'll do the definition that Napoleon Hill talks about in the book. It's a group of two or more people that meet regularly in a spirit of perfect harmony. So it's a group that meets regularly, but also in a spirit of harmony. Because the way I understood it and the way I've worked in two previous groups that I've been in, we met weekly and we took a book like Think and Grow Rich and we read one chapter a week together so that each person interpreted what they were reading and brought it to the group. We developed a handout that we use. And so on that handout was a section on the book. There's a section on insights that they may have gained from other sources that week. There's a section on upcoming events so people can stay into proactive events that are happening in the Denver area. On the backside of it, and this is one of the real power curves of the group, was personal goals. Because in the spirit of perfect harmony concept, you're there, you're building trust over time where people can open up and disclose real goals that they have in their heart rather than doing it in an open setting with other people they don't even know. Then there's one other section, special needs that somebody might have at that time. Because we got to know each other over 6 months to a year. So people had ups and downs. So they might need help in some way, connectedness to another person that could help them, financial help, moving help, etc. So what I also found in teaching mastermind groups to people is it takes a while to get it started. In other words, you have people that
Mm.
appear that say, "Oh, this sounds like it's a great group," and they last one or two sessions, but they don't take it seriously. So it takes a while to gel a group, but once it's there, it's unbelievable.